Good afternoon, Mike Oakes with Earthworks. We're at the Voorhees residence. Past videos we had a rough slate. Now we kind of got everything roughly out where it needs to be, so now we have pavers are completed. Those guys are out of our way, so now we're able to get some of the greenery in. We have All-Star out here knocking out the irrigation for me today. It's supposed to be a one-day job, but they find stuff just like we do, so they found that the old system was just not up to date, so they just went ahead and made it all beautiful and brand new out here for us. So we have no leaky pipes underneath pavers, we have no broken sprinkler heads, anything like that. Brand new valves, so everything's 100% out here now with the irrigation. And that's just in time for what I'm doing now is installing all the plants. So all the plants are going in today, at least in the backyard. And that way we can kind of get this a rough finish back here so we can start excavating and getting the front also done. Yeah, so it's already starting to change a lot back here. We have the flagstone walkway going in tomorrow, the lights, the rock, and then we still have sod and mulch and stuff like that to come. Like every job, you know, it always has to be ugly before it's pretty. So that's what it is right now. Everything's ugly and we're gonna make everything pretty out here. So stay tuned and check it out.
How do you say grande in Spanish, Mike?
Grande.
How do you say chiquito?
Chiquita.
That's stupid.